Auto Sales, cruising down the road in our Chevy Bel Air. I don't think we're quite going 70. I'd say the speedometer probably reads about 10 miles an hour fast. See the gas gauge just below a quarter. Temperature gauge starting to rise. Nice and tight inside. I got pretty good south wind today, and not a lot of wind noise in it. The thing drives like a dream. It's just one thumb on the steering wheel. It's a really nice driving car. Nice original car. Had an older repaint, single stage. Still got a pretty good shine on it for a single stage, but you know, a few chips that have been touched up here and there, just from somebody going out and driving it and have fun. The previous owner said the repaint was done in the 90s, so it looked pretty good for a job in the 90s. So if you're looking for a nice kind of original driver quality Bel Air, this is one. Obviously it could be a great donor for an LS if that's what you're into, or just it's nice to see original cars still. Down by my feet. It's about 90 degrees today. Got the air running across my legs. It's like they used to got the windows up because of doing the video, but we're gonna hit the brakes here, and turn around, and then I'll go through the gears here for you. Brakes work good. You know, just drum brakes, I believe, on it. Big old steering wheels, they turn pretty good, even if they don't have power steering. Nice first to second shift, and second to third shift.